Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's end-of-day world currencies, stock markets and commodities wrap-up for Tuesday, March 18th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Victoria Cashmore. In currency markets, the greenback showed broad weakness against major peers. The US dollar fell against the euro and British pound, continuing a very strong negative trend. Against the yen, it rose marginally, marking 3 consecutive daily gains. Month-to-date returns highlight significant dollar weakness, with the greenback down 5.2% against the euro and 3.3% versus sterling. The trend extends to year-to-date performance, showing broad-based depreciation across major currency pairs. Looking at other currency pairs, the US dollar shows mixed movement. Notable downward volatility appears against both the Canadian dollar and Indian rupee. The greenback maintains a strong negative trend versus the Chinese yuan offshore. Week-to-date returns reveal continued pressure on the greenback, particularly against the Kiwi, down 1.25%. Month-to-date figures show broad weakness, with notable declines of 3.8% against both the New Zealand dollar and Singapore dollar.
Looking at global stock market tracking ETFs, I'm Max Profit. Spain and Italy lead the gains today, both hitting new all-time highs. Spain has closed higher for 4 consecutive days with a strong upward trend, while Italy shows similar strength with 3 straight positive closes. Spain shows impressive returns, up 25.3% year-to-date and 7.8% month-to-date. Italy follows closely with a 22.1% year-to-date gain. India presents a contrast, down 5.2% year-to-date, despite recent daily gains. Among declining markets, Indonesia leads losses, dropping 5.2% to hit a new all-time low after breaking down from 3 days of sideways movement. Israel, Turkey, and New Zealand all fell about 1.9% today. Indonesia shows significant weakness, down 14.8% year-to-date and 5% this week alone. Despite today's decline, Turkey maintains a strong positive trend, up 10.2% month-to-date. New Zealand continues its downward trajectory, falling 7.1% year-to-date.
Considering commodities, I'm Liquidity. Gold futures reached a new all-time high, closing at 3,042, up 35.90, showing a very strong positive trend. Silver futures and copper futures both demonstrated strong upward momentum, with copper hitting a 1-year high. The metals market shows robust year-to-date performance. Copper futures leads with a 24.3% return, followed by silver futures at 18.4% and gold futures at 15.2%. Aluminum and palladium show more modest gains. In energy markets, crude oil futures closed at 66.83, down 0.75, amid a very strong negative trend. Brent crude also weakened, while natural gas showed a slight gain of 0.035 to 4.5. Year-to-date performance in energy markets shows mixed results. Natural gas leads with an 11.6% gain, while gasoline futures advanced 7.9%. Both crude oil and heating oil are down about 5% each. In livestock, feeder cattle futures hit a new all-time high for the 3rd consecutive day. Live cattle extended its winning streak to 5 days. Class II milk dropped significantly, falling 6.9% to a 1-year low. Year-to-date returns in livestock show feeder cattle and lean hogs both up over 7%. However, Class II milk continues to struggle, down 15.5% this year. live cattle maintains consistent growth at 7.2%. In grains, wheat futures extended its winning streak to 3 days with increased volatility. Corn and soybean futures both declined for a second consecutive day, while oats broke downward from recent consolidation. Year-to-date performance in grains shows oat futures leading with a 10.7% gain, followed by wheat at 8.4%. Rough rice has struggled, down 4%, while corn and soybeans remain relatively flat. In soft commodities, orange juice showed significant weakness, plunging 5.7% to 243.90, marking its 7th consecutive down day and hitting a one-year low. Cocoa moved against its strong negative trend, rising 2.9% to 8,054. Cotton futures broke downward from recent consolidation, while coffee futures remained relatively flat. Returns analysis shows orange juice experiencing significant declines across all time frames, with a substantial year-to-date drop of 50%. Cocoa displays notable weakness with a 31% year-to-date decline, despite today's uptick. Sugar shows relative strength with positive returns across all measured periods.
And with that, we conclude another end-of-day world currency, markets and commodities wrap-up. I'm Victoria Cashmore, along with my AI co-hosts Max Profit and Liquidity. Thanks for watching. Look for daily wrap-ups every day, just after 5 p.m. New York time. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.